Turn right onto Business Avenue, then turn left.
Okay, here we are.
Right next to a Ford Lincoln dealership.
The destination is on your right. Holiday Inn Express and Suites Beatrice.
It looks pretty new, or at least the building is still very pristine.
Yeah, must have done like a renovation up front or new painting or something. Okay, we are here.
All right, we made it to our hotel in Beatrice, Nebraska.
Yep, another day, another hotel.
I just want to say, when we checked in, the guy that checked us in, his voice is so pleasant.
Yeah, Chandler.
He's
He's awesome, by the way. He's great.
Probably the best service, like customer service, as far as like the experience and his whole aura is like very pleasant.
Very helpful information. He gave us restaurant recommendations in the area. Which we really needed because we didn't really research that prior to coming here. Plus there was he said there was like a new restaurant that opened, so we might check that out.
We'll see.
So the check-in was great. The first impressions were awesome. The room is a little bit dated, but it looks like some of the furniture might have been updated a little bit.
Yeah.
Like this, we had this accent chair and all that, but we'll give you a little room tour and show you what we're talking about.
Yeah. All right, so we have two, looks like queen beds. Are they the same size? They are.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, just like from this angle, I can't really tell. Yeah, so two queen beds. And this headboard looks new to me. It's very pristine. And I love all the reading lights that are on the headboards. That's great.
That's weird. Each side, not weird, but that's awesome that each side has a reading lamp.
Usually there's one, so they're anticipating, hey, if someone is actually sharing, it'd be great if each person had their own. So nice little detail, nice touch there. An accent chair, Kuma's favorite. She's right next to it right now. You don't want to get on, babe? Not today? It's when I mention it, she won't get on it. And then if I forget to mention it, then she wants to get on it. So I think the next hotel, if there's an accent chair, I'm not gonna mention it, and she's probably gonna wanna get on it. A little office desk. They actually have the ergonomic chair. So it looks like a nice comfy chair if you actually had to do some work. And the lamp has 2 outlets on there, which is nice. So you can, plug in your laptop. You don't have to go under the desk. And the beds that's pretty comfy. I think I might like this firmness. It's not too soft. Pillows, I'm not sure. Pillows are always tricky with me. Oh, they feel soft. Okay, I like the soft pillows. All right, and then there is no USB outlets though. So just regular outlets.
Which I have to say, I have to make one comment here. The USB outlets that I did have on my side in the last 2 hotels didn't work anyway.
They didn't work anyways, yeah. So hopefully these, well, obviously this one works because that's on. So plenty of drawers here as well. There you go. I like how they actually left space under here. So you can put your luggage under there. So that's kind of cool if you needed some space down there. TV, ice bucket, they even have a little Keurig station. But, what's his name again, Jess?
Chandler.
Chandler said they have 24-hour coffee and tea throughout the day. So I feel like we don't even have to make our own.
Probably not.
Yeah, fresh fruit throughout the day.
I feel like Chandler would always make it fresh.
Yeah, because when he was like, can I just brew the one on the left? He even mentioned which one was fresh, so.
Love that Chandler.
There is a microwave. I wasn't expecting a microwave and a small fridge, so that's nice. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the bedroom. It's very clean and simple. They don't have a lot of clutter around. I also want to know when we walked in, it does say to wear a face mask. There's plenty of hand sanitizing stations. They have signs everywhere, that you have to wear it, keeping things clean. There's plexiglass in front of the whole counter when we checked in. So they're on top of the whole pandemic and, trying to keeping the distance and all that.
This is the second IHG hotel we've stayed at, and they had the same card, rest assured, the IHG clean promise. We are committed to high levels of cleanliness. That means clean, well-maintained, clutter-free rooms that meet our standards. And then they have a clean team sign the name. So this happened in our last hotel in Denver too. So that's nice to know, that in preparation for your arrival, everything in the room has been deep cleaned following our IHG way of clean process with hospital-grade disinfectants. So they are on top of it, like Candy said. Moving on to the bathroom area. The shower and toilet is separated from the sink area, And the sink area is kind of in the hallway by the door and inside kind of like by the room. They have several hand towels and some lotion by J.R. Watkins. I'm not sure who J.R. Watkins is, but we like the bottle. There's a full-length mirror here and then another big mirror over the sink. So double mirrors. Right by the door is a closet section with an ironing board. I did that the opposite way. A hair dryer and the luggage rack, which we're kind of using for Kuma stuff right now. The shower and tub, so that's nice. You have an option to take a bath if you want to, or if you need to bathe your dog, you can do that easily. And I really like this brand that they have, J.R. Watkins. I have to look it up later, but I like their branding. And instead of, giving the individual soap, shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel, you can just pump it out here and, save waste. So I kind of like that more lately than like the individual travel size. It's nice to have the travel size sometimes because I can take it with me, but I don't need it all the time, especially if you're staying from hotel to hotel on a road trip. So this is actually really nice that they do that. So yeah, I think overall, like I said, first impression was really great here. We're looking forward to our stay. And
I think we're gonna actually go get some quarters downstairs because they actually have a laundry room.
Yeah.
We've been on the road for almost a week now, so there's just some clothes we want to wash. So I think we're gonna go use the washing machine and dryer.
Yeah, it looked like it was $2 for the washer, and I couldn't figure out how much the
I didn't
dryer
see
was.
the sign for the dryer, so I
It
guess
said 25 cents, but then there was like all these slots, so I'm
Maybe
guessing it's like $1.
$1.25?
Yeah, or $1.25, something like that.
$1.50.
It's pretty normal because the other hotels we stayed at, we noticed it was around that same price. So, and then there was a guy doing laundry in there. We asked him if they gave quarters for change at the lobby, at the desk, and he was like, oh yeah, they have some quarters. So you can ask for quarters there. And they also have a fitness center. They said the maximum amount, and there was one person, so it's probably not that big.
Yeah.
And
pool area.
And there's a pool area too. Which you probably won't do because we got some relatives to see here and a national monument to check out.
Yeah.
What's the cookie sound? No idea. Just checked out of Holiday Inn Express in Beatrice, Nebraska, and we actually thoroughly enjoyed our stay there.
Probably because I really loved the guy working behind the desk. His name is Chandler. He was awesome.
Chandler is excellent, probably like the best hotel
service.
employee I've met on all of our travels. He's just so nice. He's very generous and genuine. Just goes above and beyond with his customer service, and he's just so great. He really deserves like a promotion or a raise. But yeah, the hotel itself was great. For a holiday, I haven't stayed in a Holiday Inn in so long, and sometimes I think it gets a bad rep, but it depends on which hotel and what area you're in. If you're in Beatrice, you'll get top-notch service there. They're excellent. The room was really great. The only thing that I didn't like about that room was there's like this weird smell in there.
It is kind of a weird smell. It's a tad outdated, but not too bad.
Yeah.
It's still clean and everything works just fine. Like nothing's clogging or nothing's, not draining properly. Everything works fine. I like that there was a microwave and a refrigerator. Those things are always nice. But yeah, I mean, other than it, I really don't have any complaints other than the kind of odd smell.
Yeah, and that's about it for me. Because
breakfast? Oh yeah, but breakfast was okay.
Oh yeah, but so it's complimentary breakfast.
So it's kind of like that with complimentary things.
And
It's
we're
hit or miss.
very picky with our breakfast
Yeah.
food as it is. So, but we saw families eating breakfast and they seemed to enjoy it. So.
I had a muffin banana muffin this morning. It was much better than the breakfast I had yesterday.
Yeah, because they had, let's see, they had like sausages, and then they had a cheese omelet. And so we got a cheese omelet, but it looked really dry to us, so we didn't even eat it. So I guess we don't even know how it tastes like. Maybe it was really good, but the appearance didn't entice us to eat it. It was very quiet there. Candy got great sleep both nights.
Yeah.
She really liked the bed and the pillows.
Because the pillows, okay, this is what's great about the pillows there. The covers, it'll tell you if the pillow is firm or soft. So I was just like, oh, that is so cool. I don't think I've ever been to a place where they like distinguish the pillows from firmness off. So I really like that.
That was a nice touch. Overall, this was a great hotel stay. And one thing I really love about Nebraska is the people.
Everyone's so friendly.
They are so friendly, so nice, very genuine, very helpful.
I don't know how many times someone has asked us, do you guys need help carrying your bags?
Yeah.
Like, not even like hotel people, like even at people at the Ford dealership.
Next door.
Yeah, I was just like, I was like, no, we're fine. Like,
but how nice of them to even offer something like that, you know? Nobody ever does that. I mean, or they probably do, but it's so rare.
Yeah.
I mean, especially like when we're at a Ford dealership. That's not where you expect something like that. Like some random, customer there just offering to help. I love it. I love the people here. Great experience, and highly recommend it if you're passing through Beatrice, Nebraska. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.